Okay, now I want to show you some use cases of the app. So this first one, we're going to be showing how you can message directly a user from within Confluence to Slack. So what Marcin is going to be doing, we're logged in as Marcin actually, and he is going to be sending a message to Denise, who is our global head of HR, directly from our HR portal page in Confluence. So, as a new employee, he's visited this page and he wants to be able to send a message directly to Denise. So he's able to highlight her name, type in his questions. For this one, he wants to ask about getting meepled. So he's going to go ahead and send that message after selecting her username. And so what we'll do, now we're logged in as Denise on Slack, and you can see that there was a message from Marcin from the bot. So now she can respond directly to Marcin and just tell him, hey, let's hop on a quick call to discuss this further. So makes it a lot easier for Marcin to be able to go in and send a message directly to Denise, and then Denise can also respond to him in Slack. Okay, so this next use case, we're going to be showing how you can send specific content to a user. So right now, I did just want to show I'm logged in as Steve Rankle. So I'm Steve, and I'm going to be reviewing the AppFire Partner newsletter. And this little comment from Cody really caught my eye, so I wanted to be able to send this specific comment to him. So he just, was able to highlight the text, select Cody as the user, um, and then type in some additional information or some additional text um, around that. So in this specific example, Steve is curious about how he can get more than just one can of possum. So he wants to be able to order that in bulk. So what he's able to do is select that quote from Cody, select Cody as a user, and then add in additional text to his message for Cody in Slack. So what we'll do is then we'll pop back over into Slack. So, we're logging as Cody, and we can see that, we got the message from Steve from the Slack bot. And so as Cody, I can respond to Steve with a link to be able to buy bulk possum. Okay, and for our final use case, I'm going to be logged in as Ravi for this example, and I'm going to be showing how to link or to send a message to a channel. So I'm in the BCom documentation, and this link looks like it might need some updating. So what I'm able to do as Ravi, he's able to choose the channel that he wants to send to. So he's going to send to the tech writers and just say that that link needs updating. So he's going to go ahead and send that message. And then we'll be able to see in Slack in the Team Tech Writers channel his message to the channel. So then, anybody within the channel can respond and say, hey, I'm on it. I'm going to be making that change.